Welcome back. So, whereas strings like S are sequences of characters, lists are a new kind of Python type, which are sequences of any type of value, which can include other strings or lists. So, lists are created by using square brackets. So I start creating a list by using a left square bracket, and then I put my contents separated by commas. So here I'll make the first item actually be a string. I'll make the second item be an integer. And I'll make the third item be another string. So when I print out my list, then I get back the items that I actually put into the list. Now, just like strings, lists have an order and a length. So in the case of this list, my list, then I actually have three items. The first item is the string 1, and then separating out every item is a comma. The second item is the integer 2, separated by a comma again, and the third item is the string 3. So I would say that this list has length 3. The first item being 1, the second item being the integer 2, the third item being the string 3. So here are a few other examples of lists. So just like I can have an empty string, I can also have an empty list. So this is a list with length 0. I can also have a list with one item. So here, my list is a list with one item, and that one item is the integer 100. Now, just like strings, this my list equals the list 100 is very different from creating an integer I equal to 100. So even though these look similar to us, to Python, these are entirely different. And further, if I make S the string 100, then all three of these are entirely different things. Because S is a string, my list is a list, and I is an integer. So if I tried to do something like, say, my list plus 5, then I would get a runtime error saying that we can only concatenate lists with other lists. Because my list is a list, the only other thing that we can add to it is a list, as we'll talk about in a later lesson. Until next time.